Today you must expand your brand with social media marketing. To complement the development of your website, you should also create a presence in the social marketing arena. As you add content to your websites, you should also update your social marketing accounts with either copies of the content or links to the content on your website. There are several pieces of software that you can add to your website to allow instant sharing by yourself or others to social media, which add buttons to every piece of content. The key to social marketing success is not to publish 100% commercial content posts. The aim is to get people talking about and recommending your website, products, and services. You can do this by adding posts which might be useful, funny, interesting, or have some human appeal that relates to your products or services. You can also use your social marketing accounts to post interesting photographs or images that will attract the attention of users. The other benefit of using the social media is that some people can only be reached via these accounts, because this may be the only part of the internet that they use. If you can create content which is interesting or surprising enough on social media, there is the possibility that people will then share your content to their friends and contacts, giving you the benefit of viral marketing. Please ensure that you complete your profile information as fully as possible, because this will give a higher level of comfort to people who are checking you out. You'll also find that social media will rank quite well in search engine results, so make certain when you're picking your account name of your pages and the titles of your posts that your seed keywords and company name feature prominently. You will find links to some of the essential social media platforms on this page that you should establish a presence on. Try them out and see which two you like the most and which have the most content relating to your niche. Here are the recommended social media you should be on: Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and last but not least, Pinterest. Some people will say to you that they do not like social media or that it is bad in some way. Remember, you have total control of your account settings and you have to use these tools to reach millions of potential customers.